Hey guys, so welcome to today's video. I've been posting like late, like as you can see I'm in some kind of room, and it is because like at the moment it's around 2:30 p.m. a.m. and I've been studying from morning to now, guys, like I've been working hard in past 3 days as well, and I'm just gonna give you an update. So guys, my ads have been doing kind of well. So first day I got one sale, second day I got one sale, and third day I got one sale as well, and all in the same time. I think the most of it is because iOS 14 update, and this is just 3 days, so I'll let it run for 72 hours to see how it does and find a winning creative, and it was CBO. So it was I gave it 5 creatives. It was 3 videos and 1 picture and 1 carousel. So as you can guess, like 2 of the videos got me a purchase and 1 picture, like the picture got the most likes and everything, and it was automatic placement. So now what I did was I took the winning ad interests and creatives, I put it in the ABO with $20 a day budget, and to see how it does. I just edited them, and they're gonna be updated in they're gonna be up in 2 hours or something like that. And the guys, other thing I found out is like your ad copy is very important. Like don't just write something there. It's very important, your ad copy, your video angle, the way you're doing, the way you're showing the product, like which angle are you targeting. So that's very important. I recommend you guys like read a book or do some find some courses about this, because I'm one of my friends gave me like around 900 gigabytes of course. I guess I'm just lucky. I got 900 gigabytes, like all free courses. Neil Patel, Nick Shackelford, like I got all these courses, guys. Like I've been just overwhelmed, like which one I should look, watch, because there's tons of course with SMMA and social media marketing, courses for ad copy, Amazon FBA, Shopify, everything, like everything is there. So I kind of gonna take that as a leverage, and that's what I've been doing. Just getting into knowledge, just studying 4 or 5 hours straight, just taking rest 10 5 minutes between, and do it all again. And I didn't even go to the gym today because like my priorities has changed, but I'm gonna go to the gym tomorrow. But today was the only day I missed the gym. So guys, I'm gonna recommend you one more book to read as well, and that the book is called How to Write a Copy That Sells, and just give you like tips how to write a good ad copy and the psychology behind it. So that's there as well. And I've been talking to two like mentorship programs with 2 guys. I'm not gonna name them, and I've like chose one of them to go to the program because I trust the guy, and like I did my research on something, and I paid them, like I paid kind of like, yeah, but like, yeah, it's just that's the money they take, I guess. But yeah, but I was going to like maybe take the same if I was mentoring someone, because like I'm giving my time and knowledge that I have and I gathered during the like my years. So yeah, I guess that's fair. So guys, I was just want to show you like I have a mentor now, and yeah, so we're gonna see how it goes. I've been working really hard, so nothing so special, still doing my course. And today I was lucky enough to get my Instagram tag shopping for my Instagram page, so that's another good thing, I guess. So yeah, so everything been going pretty well, I guess, like just a typical entrepreneur's day in life, I guess. So guys, until the next day, I see you tomorrow.